Yeah, Mom.
No, I
What's
did.
the purple one?
I did this before.
And the burnt rubber one. Wait.
I want to try
What's the
burnt rubber.
purple?
That's
Old
so
bandage
disgusting.
or
Hey guys, so we're going. They're going to.
old bandage.
They're going to do the Bean Boozled
pomegranate.
challenge.
Band-Aids or
All right, so you all close your eyes.
Are we
Take
gonna
one.
do this or just
One at a
Okay,
time?
don't eat it. You're all gonna have to eat
No, you
them.
can't open it.
I'm scared.
What is this? Can someone give me the...
No. We don't
I
Yeah.
got the
Hey,
pink one.
No cheating.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, you have your answer.
Guys.
The banana or the...
Wet dog.
Okay.
Let's do Tutti Frutti.
You got
Say
it.
one. Can we do one by one? Because we might need the freaking plastic.
Go.
Tutti
And
Frutti.
we got the burnt licorice.
Okay.
Okay,
One.
wait. Are we all
No,
going at the
you
same
don't-
time?
No, you don't look.
Okay, youngest
the
oldest.
booger one.
Okay.
Youngest oldest, Reese, go first.
Youngest oldest.
Okay.
Oh,
No, you
one.
all do it at the same
One,
time.
Can I just lick it?
Yeah, 1, 2,
2,
3,
3.
go. You have to eat it.
Oh my god. Disney pear.
Oh.
Hindi ko sa akin. Ah! Ayoko na. Lasang usap sa akin.
It only tasted like...
Guys, I almost got
So you
choked.
got burnt rubber. Where's the
That's
I
burnt
almost got peaches.
Ah, sige.
I ate it.
Here.
I don't want to do that again. Can we just do the spinny thing? No.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Right.
1,
I like that.
2.
Wait, guys. Give us a break. I need
Wait,
something
it's
sweet.
disgusting.
It actually stinks.
Smell that bag.
No! Why would it?
Ew, I'm actually doing it. Just try.
Okay.
Try one.
Hey!
Try okay, let's see. Wait, Tita's gonna try.
Mom's gonna try one.
We did this before when Enzo was like a baby.
We did this when Enzo was not at the house.
I just got that.
Okay, Mom just took a random one.
What was that? Bark?
Buy water.
Bark?
No, it was a Tutti Frutti one, I think. Girl, you didn't even look. You just put it in your mouth.
I just
That's
want
it.
to go now.
What dog?
I just got
I
that
got the
shit.
bandage.
Alright, guys, you ready?
That's gross.
Alright, guys, you ready?
Gross.
Guys, you
Guys, they
ready?
don't have
Gross.
the toasted
Guys,
marshmallow one in
Yes, they
here.
do.
Yeah,
they
Where?
took it off. Yes,
They took it out. They
Look,
took it, promise they
That's
did.
also
It
This
says
is so
toasted marshmallow.
disgusting.
it's
The
fully
wet
rolled.
dog.
It's not
Yeah,
It
the
says
white
right
dog. Pati
there.
mga nakukuha ko kadiri.
It says.
You know what I want to do next? Not today though. But like, you know how I'm gonna order like a Jollibee, like bucket and stuff,
Yeah.
and then with spaghetti and stuff, and then you're gonna have to toss, and then until you like the
yeah.
the bottle flip,
You can eat.
you can eat.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna do
How about we
that.
just do
Yeah.
this, I right? know And then we run.
Yeah.
Oh, should we do that one?
Not good.
Ma, you know that one? Mom,
Okay.
you know that one? The rock? Yeah. The rock, paper, scissors, and
And
then
whoever
whoever
wins.
wins,
Yeah.
Yan, Chong.
Oh, how about you go like that, partner,
Oh.
partner.
How much chicken?
No, wait,
No, you're
partner.
gonna no like
whoever,
teammate.
wait, what?
No, I don't know, just do
How
that.
about we just all do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever loses,
Yeah, you're gonna have to pick
That-
like
Okay,
two
go.
colors.
like we all go, and then whoever loses out of
Yeah.
no.
If it's paper, rock, and scissors, you can't
Okay.
go to record.
Anin natin.
everyone
How about we just go rock, paper, scissors?
Or like this.
Guys, rock, paper, scissors.
What's the thing
Oh.
here?
Pito, pito, pick.
Bito, bito?
That's not
That's not the right one.
That one.
Yeah.
I hate the bar. I'm scared. Enzo!
Why what happened? What did it say?
Ma, what are you doing?
Yeah,
I'm trying to separate them. Wait!
guys, let's do that. And then,
You want to be different so bad.
Okay, here. So first one, alright.
so good.
So the first one, this is brown.
Cappuccino
So,
or liver.
Liver
So
or
you pick the worst
cappuccino.
one.
Oh
Okay?
my God, no.
So we're gonna
I
see.
got cappuccino.
So Reese and Enzo, you're gonna like think
Whoever loses
and
eats
whoever
one.
loses eats.
Is it
Okay.
like
Go
last
ahead.
man
First
standing?
to three or
Alright.
best? No,
No, one.
No, just one.
One.
Okay.
Rock.
And then whoever wins goes up against
You have
the
to
next
swallow
person.
it, right?
Yeah.
No.
And what happened? What'd you say?
You have to like fully eat it.
No.
No,
if it's gross, you can
well,
spit it out.
that's supposed to be what happened.
No,
but
it's
okay.
eating it,
Three,
But,
two, one.
okay.
3, 2, 1,
Okay,
go.
liver.
Rock, paper,
Rock.
scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, why don't we say it the other way?
Scissors, shoot.
Reese.
Nanalo ka na, babe. Natalo ka.
Good one.
Tadadaan, you pick.
Oh my
Ba-
God.
what is it?
How
What
did
was
I
it?
get there?
Liver.
Liver or
How
onion?
How did
Liver,
that get there?
onion and
I
cappuccino.
don't know.
I got cappuccino.
Well,
Cappuccino or
gross.
cappuccino
Oh
or
my God,
Cappuccino.
cappuccino. Oh,
Coffee.
oh yeah, no.
Write it down.
Alright.
Oh my God,
Use it.
chili
Rina
there, chew it.
and Janjan.
Oh my God, ate.
Rock,
No, I
paper,
think it's
scissors,
still
shoot.
good though.
Kung naka-cappuccino ganyan.
Cappuccino.
Makikita mo naman eh.
Canadian. The
Mas
lighter
light.
ones. The lighter.
Ate, Canadian versus
Oh, shit.
No, the liver one is so good.
I'm not good at rock, paper, scissors, guys.
Ate!
Yeah, I'm just gonna-
Ate!
No, you can't eat those.
Talo.
There's
Oh,
darker
nasa.
one ata. What's that ate?
Yes,
Oh
the
my
liver.
God!
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna miss this one. We're going back to this. Now it's gonna be
Pita.
the pink, the
Can we put it at the bed?
this color. What? Bebe, tingnan mo ako anong tong kulay.
Strawberry smoothie or dead fish?
Yeah, let's do that
Yeah!
No, I'm actually trying to do that. I want
Alright, so this one.
Can we please eliminate the
Dead fish or what?
dead fish or strawberry smoothie?
Okay, alright. Okay, you, Reese, and Enzo.
Wait, they didn't. Oh, did they?
They did, yeah. At the 8.
I'm trying. I want to eat it. Go rock. I'll go paper. No, wait.
Oh.
No,
Gaslighting.
go
No,
rock.
you're
I'll
Go,
gaslighting,
guys,
man.
go.
Ano ba?
Can you
Okay,
say
go.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
The shoot is when you...
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
You're so confident. Let's take away the bag too. Go. What is
Go.
it?
Oh, what's that?
What is it? Wait, what is the
It's
flavor?
very good.
Yeah, it's probably good.
Oh,
What is
I think
it?
it's dead fish.
And you
Yeah.
just...
Why were you?
Yeah, maybe you just keep eating the
Go,
whole
guys.
thing.
Maybe
You don't,
eat all
you
of
don't,
it.
you don't
What?
throw up.
No.
You don't spit, you don't
no,
spit
wait.
it out. Okay, go.
Oh, spit it out.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, wait. Rock.
Canada's losing.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Canadian versus Filipinos.
What was
Strawberry
it?
banana? Strawberry
Ah. Alright.
Oh,
Renz and Renz and Laura.
Rinse.
Rinse your mouth after that. It's gonna stink.
Scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot.
Da, 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 da. Ah! Come on, ate. You got this.
Strawberry banana.
Wallahi, of course. Strawberry smoothie.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Same reaction. We have to clip that.
Why?
Because in the video she went, oh my god. Wait.
Alright, that goes. Okay. Next.
Dapat tabi ko rin namimili.
Ayoko, kayo na lang. Ako nga bumili nito eh. Kayo na lang.
No, it's a different color.
So now, which one's this? What's the yellow one? This one?
Banana or wet dog? Ew, mom. That's disgusting.
Hindi ba yung parehas?
Whoa, there's no blue.
Okay, here, this one, we're gonna pick.
Blue tastes better.
Oh, they have toasted marshmallow in here.
Okay.
said that.
Alright, okay. Reese and Enzo.
Can we do pomegranate after? Let's hit pomegranate.
What am I gonna do?
Oh my gosh, that made it so
That's our
much
old
better.
Okay,
Oh,
here.
wait until you, if you eat one.
This one is
Yeah.
banana or wet dog.
Oh my
You want to
God.
try it? You just want to fork it right now? No. Guys, try. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Guys, the time is
Wait.
Wait.
Who won?
I won.
Banana
Banana
or wet dog.
If you eat the
It's
wet dog,
wet
you're
dog.
actually so...
Oh my God, Ansel.
You're actually so weird if that's wet
Yeah,
dog.
you're
And the dead
doing
fish
the
too?
mukbang.
I don't know which one that was.
Oh my God.
I think it was wet dog. His taste buds.
Okay.
You're
Yeah, he can't.
Ow.
He's not good in tasting.
Nah, I'm good. Trust. Okay. Bro.
Ice baby boy.
Oh, that smells so bad. Mmm, yummy.
I have this one. A special one, guys.
Yeah.
A special
Naamoy
one.
ko.
Tastes like
Baho.
mango.
Ang
Could be banana. You can try.
What the fuck?
I keep winning.
Ate sucks at rock, paper,
I know.
Wala ko din.
Ma, do this one next.
Kumakain.
Do
Oh my God.
bandage or yeah, that one. Yeah, bandage or Did you pick the one I picked? Can someone try this for me?
No.
Okay, this one it'll be 2 because it doesn't have much color.
Oh my God.
Buti nga kayo nila.
No. Okay, go.
Mom, my stomach's hurting.
Ate,
Di ba niya yung chong eh?
Ate.
Kinakain nila.
did you mix it all?
No, she
No,
put
just
3
3.
random ones.
Oh,
Which one's that?
or bandage. Keep winning.
Bandage?
The bandage tastes so bad.
Yes! We all know
Ew,
that.
that's the bandage.
I didn't eat it.
Ow, you made me bit my
Oh,
tongue.
sorry.
It's because it's
Yummy.
candy. He's
Go,
gonna eat
Lina.
other candy.
Oh, wow.
I know
It wasn't
exactly.
yummy, but like,
He just said it wasn't yummy, but it was candy.
it's.
Just there!
Now go.
Chong, go get water. First.
I'm not drinking my water.
It's candy. He
Bruh?
eats every candy.
Come on, Jan.
Ano yung
Go.
black?
Mamaya,
Liquors
dalawa.
Or.
2-2.
No, wait. What is that?
Licorice.
Is it
Oh,
good?
ready?
Ah.
Oh, wait, rubber.
The black.
I don't think it's good.
He's gone already.
Let's see then.
Ah, liar! Liar! I'm
Yeah.
gonna spit out my milk, guys. No,
Which
that could
one's
be
this
booger.
one?
That could be booger.
Di yan.
Booger,
Yan
juicy
yung
pear.
masarap. Yan, masarap yan, be.
Bro, put it in
Yay.
here.
What?
He just said he just kissed it. Like the, like
I won. Oh my God, ate. They're so good.
The only time he went.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, she's putting barf. Oh, peach.
Wait, no, put toast
Tapos tomorrow lalagay ko to sa bahay ni Tita dahil sabihin ko candy.
Ulo!
Okay, go.
Alright,
Axel
go.
and Reese.
Sarap na nakuha ko.
Barf and
Okay,
Joe, you're not eating that.
Wait again, see what happens.
No.
I have trauma from this.
Alright, Reese, I'm gonna go.
This
Scissors.
looks different.
Very
Reese, I'm
Vegan
going
barf.
Reese,
Mom,
I'm going
this is
scissors.
tutti
The
frutti.
same. Reese, I'm going scissors. Where's Tutti Frutti?
I don't know.
Titty dip. Tutti
Alright.
Very
Mix
good.
it.
I'm going scissors. Just pick. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Don't tell. Whoa.
Close your eyes.
Ah, wow. Ah, wow.
Oh,
He's gonna eat it anyways.
Yeah.
What is it?
What did I grab?
What does it taste? He grabbed.
The barf is the
He
worst
grabbed
one.
the tutti frutti.
Okay.
Barf is the worst one. Yeah, it does not taste like no Tutti Frutti. Oh, you don't wanna want. Oh, you don't want that. You never want. That.
Yeah, it's
Are you
good.
sure?
Yeah. Alright, Reds.
Oh, you don't want to lose on this one. Trust, you don't want to lose. You don't want to lose. Why can't there be more blue, bro? You don't want to. Yeah, just do that.
Lang ano ba? Ang dami bumubulong sa tenga ko. Sabi, hindi yung blue. Ano to? Masama tsaka
Okay na.
mabuti.
Okay na, go.
Ah, ooh.
Are you sure?
Ah, masarap.
And this one.
Oh,
That's mamaya 2.
toasted marshmallow or
2
the
each.
other one?
2 each?
No, you're.
Toasted marshmallow or steak
Mamaya.
Strawberry banana.
Okay.
Strawberry
Wait.
banana.
Reese, Enzo.
Get the one that's the most brown. Or wait, do I have to grab 2 or
No, not
one?
yet.
No.
I have to grab
Steak
my
bug
dad.
or toasted marshmallow.
Bigay natin,
Wow.
bigay natin to kay Kyle tomorrow.
Oh, you don't want to go against me because you keep losing.
Oh,
You
yeah.
want to forfeit right now? I'm going scissors.
Damn.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Lena and Renz.
I love my
Baddie
love
versus
that.
baddie.
I know that.
Ay, may ganyan to, Laura.
Oh, wait, what I eat? Steak bug or marshmallow?
Kayo ni Lina. Palitan tayo.
Oh, the first time, huh?
Stick bug.
Oh my gosh, you can smell that. Oh.
Hiding.
I'll go, guys.
It's mixing with burnt rubber,
Everything.
cappuccino, everything.
Lina.
Talo ka na naman.
Baho. Ang baho. Ano nakuha niya? Naamoy ko.
Kidding, steak bug.
Amoy usok.
Amoy. Oh, amoy usok.
Steak bug.
Wait.
Talo.
Baho.
Ang baho naman nung kinagat mo.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Okay, last one. It's gonna be 2 each, okay?
2 each. Oh my God, Lord, save me.
2 each.
Tayo si ate.
Go, 2 each.
Lahat ang nakain.
Irritated. First, let's go. Okay, I'm actually going
2 each.
can you just try to make
Go, guys.
O sige, kung sino manalo, you're gonna keep battling.
Oh my god.
So, everyone that loses will take 1.
Okay.
So if you don't lose, then if you lose, you take 1. Reese will fight the next one. Okay?
This is the fighter.
Yeah, you'll take 2.
Bro.
You'll take 2 each. Whoever loses, take 2. Okay?
Labit na kain ko, kakay pa.
Oh my god, that's so late.
1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey,
Two.
Lina and Reese.
You have to
Wait after you pick 2.
Hey, what's that? This one?
2. You pick 2.
Dudalo mo talaga to?
Yeah.
What?
Para mabilisan.
Why?
This one.
So I'm at 25 minutes.
Which one do I go with? No, don't eat.
Okay, Lina, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ay.
Lina and John
Two,
John.
bebe.
Get the same one. Get the same one.
2, bebe.
What? Huh?
Hindi, pag natalo.
Pag natalo,
So
Like
who
the
do I
date.
go against?
whoever.
Rock. Scissors.
Putik mo yun.
Diyan.
You
2.
Ano nga yung kanina?
Dalawa. Ay!
Kanina pila.
Talo ka?
If you win, you grab
Oh
3.
my gosh, I'm so scared. Wait.
If you win, you
No,
grab
it's
3 and
not
give it to
bad.
the next person.
Did you eat it, Chong?
Not yet.
Eat it.
Oh.
Why you guys
No,
smelling
you're gonna
at
eat
the
it
same
now.
time?
Eat it.
Mm.
I don't want to go. I feel like I'm
Robby.
actually gonna throw up.
Eh, lagi this.
Oh my gosh. Mama, I don't wanna do it.
I got pomegranate.
Who? You won?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
Okay,
now she
good.
has to eat 3.
Ate again. Enzo, you're gonna do it, Enzo.
And so, do you
You
want?
go.
Wala sa akin.
Ang pangit pareho.
Go. Go.
Sa akin, masarap pareho.
Di nga.
Saldo.
I want both of it. Eat it.
You won.
Put it in your mouth, Reese, or you have to eat more.
Eat it.
I know.
Wait, no.
Eat it.
I
Just
see
put it
it.
at the same time. Eat it. Eat
Go,
it.
this one.
Eat it.
I got both stink bugs.
Eat it. Eat it.
Reese.
Eat it.
Put it
Eat
in
it.
your mouth.
Okay, go.
It's not that
1,
hard, though.
2,
Just shove it in
3.
your mouth.
Eat.
Go.
You're being recorded.
Wait.
Mom, your camera's so blurry.
I
Reese,
know,
bro,
I
it's not
know.
that deep. What is it though?
Go, Reese.
Oh my, it's booger. Carrot.
Eat it.
Did you? Who else are you going after?
Enzo had to get. Did he get?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you did. I saw you.
That was after
Okay, Reese, you're gonna have to do it, Ate. So you better win.
The only one that I'm spitting out is stink bug, bro.
Ayun, nakain ko is stink bag, tsaka liver and onions.
The milk
Grabe
isn't
pa.
doing anything to me.
You're gonna make it worse.
Okay, go.
Grabe pangat naman nakain.
Spit it out. Okay, go. Now you're gonna have to do it again.
No, guys.
Again?
Yeah.
Irritating.
Until we finish this.
Just give me all of that.
Tayo, next time, huwag mo na ibili na ganyan.
It's 500 pesos, so make it worth it. I know,
Just
right?
give it to the kids
Okay, we're
outside.
gonna-
Say it's
Yeah.
a surprise jelly
That's so
bean.
mean.
No, it's not.
Okay, go.
It's
Give it.
basically
Yeah.
jelly bean.
bean.
It's candy.
Yeah, but
Bigay
they
mo
just
dyan.
don't know what
Bigay mo
type
gusto
of
niya.
candy.
Hindi, bigay na
I
natin
won't do
sa
it.
labas.
No, yeah, just give it a go.
Yeah,
Go,
just
can we
give
go
it.
outside
Bakit
and
to?
give?
To Can we go outside
Let's go
and
outside
give
and give.
Yeah, go.
Let's go.
Tell
Say,
me
gusto niyan maglaro?
Yeah,
Yeah, ask them.
Kaya
Record,
record, record.
All of us.
Yung the one nandun ah.
Yeah, there.
Hindi ito lang ah. Anak
I'm
nila ate
gonna
na.
go give what the guy. No.